Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a gradient text on Canva. It is really time consuming because everything you have to do pretty much manually. However, it is still possible to do so. So what you need to do is first create a shape. So I'm gonna use this rectangle over here from Element, and then let's put it over here, and then let's resize it to fill in the whole page. Now what we can do is click on the color over here. And here we can, for instance, select a gradient. Over here we have a bunch of different pre-made gradients, or if you want to, you can also create your own gradient by clicking add a new color over here, and then here switch from solid color to gradient. Over here you can select the style. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then here you can choose colors. You can of course just choose 2 colors, but if you want to, you can also add more. So if we go back, let's edit this one, and then over here you can add a new gradient, a new color, sorry, and you can add a lot of them, for instance, even like so. But I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna choose this one, and now what you need to do is save this page as PNG, as an image. So we need to download it. So click on share over here in the top right corner, then download, then make sure that your file type is PNG or JPG. However, PNG is suggested, it is recommended, simply it has the best quality. And then you want to download the file. After you download it, you want to go to uploads, and then you want to upload your file. So this is the gradient that we have created. Okay, we can remove this one. And now what we can do is go to elements. Now over here, what we can do is go down to find frames. Here, let's press see all. And now what we need to do is create our text with frames. So I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna create text. My text will be text, so press T, then let's drag and drop it over here, and then we need E, like so. Okay, and then X, there we go, and T. Okay, if we want to, we can also group the whole text. We can press and hold shift and then select all objects, and then we can press group in order to regroup them, and then we can click on position and then make it in the middle, in the center, like so. So now at least I am certain that the text is in the middle. Now what we need to do is go back to uploads, and then here we have our gradient. And now this is the most boring part of this whole process. We need to drag and drop it into every letter, like so. But now before I go with every other letter, first I'm gonna focus on T. What I need to do is double click it, and we will open this crop option over here. If this doesn't work for you, click on edit photo and then go to crop over here, like so, and then you should have it the same as I did at first. So now over here I will move it to the maximum to the right, like so. So it starts with the letter T, and now I want to expand it to cover the whole text. Of course this won't cover the whole text, but I still want to do that in order to make the gradient as smooth as possible. Of course you don't have to be really that precise, but if you want to, then of course go ahead and do so. Okay, we have T, now let's do the E. So let's drop to E, double click, and then of course move it to T. So it should start with T, and then it should end on the last letter, like so. And then we can click outside it in order to or we can press down in order to move on. Then the X, so once again the same thing, we have to drag it like so, and then on the other side like so, and then finally T. So let's do that. This one we have to move to the left and then resize it to the beginning, and that's our gradient text. Of course we can now create a background if needed, like so, in order to make it a little bit more visible. As you can see, it works, although it is, like I said, a bit time wasting, simply because we have to put every letter manually. We cannot use a custom font. So for instance, if you go back to elements to the frames, as you can see for letter T we have a little bit of options, but it's still not many to choose from. But if you insist on creating a grid text in Canva, then this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!